Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2018 Ford Escape SE EcoBoost, and we're going to go over the details of this compact SUV that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and technology. Let's go ahead and dive into why this vehicle is impressive and why you should consider owning one. Starting with performance. The SE trim is equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine that produces 179 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides a great balance of power and fuel efficiency. Its fuel economy is 23 city and 30 highway. It also comes with a 6-speed select shift automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive shifting, and in this model it has generally been reliable. Early models had some issues with flaring shifts due to valve body design and programming, but these problems have been resolved in models from 2012 onward. To ensure your transmission stands the test of time, it's recommended to change the fluid every 30,000 miles with regular maintenance. You can expect this transmission to deliver smooth and dependable performance throughout the life of the vehicle. On the outside, the 2018 Escape SE boasts a sleek and modern design with a distinctive front grille, sharp headlights, and clean lines. It's available in several color options. This one is in Oxford White. The SE trim comes standard with its 17-inch alloy wheels, adding to its stylish appearance with its sparkle silver finish. These tires are the Michelin Premier tires. They're 235/55 R17s. Moving inside, the SE trim includes comfortable cloth upholstery and supportive front seats, ideal for long drives. While the rear seats offer decent space, taller passengers might find legroom slightly limited. Your overall passenger volume is 98.7 cubic feet, which is smaller than its competition. The Escape provides 34 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 68 cubic feet when folded down, offering ample room for luggage and other items. Let's go ahead and jump into the front seat. This SE is equipped with the standard Sync infotainment system with a simple 4.2-inch screen, Bluetooth connectivity, and Ford Sync voice recognition system. However, the trim also has an optional Sync 3 infotainment system available with an 8-inch touchscreen equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. It also includes dual-zone automatic climate control, allowing the driver and front passenger to set their preferred temperatures. Driver assistance technologies include available adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. Convenience is key with features like keyless entry, push button start. In this case, this one is not optioned with push button start, a power liftgate, and a power adjustable driver's seat. Safety is a priority with standard features like a rearview camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and the My Key system for setting speed and audio volume limits for teen drivers. The 2018 Escape received top safety ratings, earning a 5-star overall rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and good scores from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Let's go ahead and sum up some of the pros and cons of this car, starting with the pros. It has good fuel economy for its class, a comfortable and well-equipped interior, a user-friendly infotainment system, strong safety ratings, and agile handling with a smooth ride. And finishing it off with the cons, rear seat legroom can be tight for taller passengers, cargo space is competitive but not class-leading, and some competitors offer more advanced driver assistance features as standard. The 2018 Ford Escape SE is a solid choice for those seeking a compact SUV with a great mix of performance, comfort, and technology. It's perfect for drivers who prioritize fuel efficiency, a comfortable ride, and modern infotainment features. While it has some limitations, it remains a competitive option in its segment. Go ahead and experience it for yourself, the 2018 Ford Escape SE, and see why it stands out in the compact SUV market. Let me know in the comments if this is something you would go for, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.